Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing another unboxing and setup. Today we got the Killer Klowns from Outer Space cotton candy cocoon. We actually just finished watching this movie and got this in the mail today, so I think it's a perfect time to set it up. We also got Slim and Shorty. We'll be making videos on them, but we want to do this first. Our special guest today is Ghostface. Say hi, Ghostface. Let's get into it. We haven't even opened this yet, so let's see. It's probably not going to be much of a setup to it, just more of the unboxing and then blowing it up and hanging it up and seeing how it looks. Oh my gosh, there's a little bit of the cotton candy. Oh my gosh. Macy, do you want it? Macy's like terrified to come over here. You want some of the cotton candy?
I can't smell it.
You can't smell it?
Like that. There's the cotton. Hold this. What should I do to it?
Alright, so we got some instructions here.
Should I put it on the ground?
Sure. And then here we got the cocoon itself with the creepy face. And we got the hanging part.
Face.
That's about all there is to the unboxing.
But you touch it.
Now all we gotta do is get it set up. Let's set that there.
Where should we hang this?
It's got a really good quality top to it. It's a lot thicker plastic than I thought it would be. So this will last for a while. Pretty sturdy.
Dada.
What's up, baby? It also comes with a big zip tie.
Yeah.
Looks like it's for attaching this piece to the actual cocoon. Actually, I guess this is an extra one.
This is so heavy.
So I guess it comes with two. It's heavy.
Yeah. If I do that, it's not heavy. Let's take it good.
Yeah, I'm real excited to set this up. It looks really cool. It looks just like in the movie. We gotta attach this to this piece first. So it looks like just put this around here and then we zip tie it.
That's so cool.
I'm cool.
Yeah.
You're cool.
No, you're not cool.
Well, thanks. It's pretty simple.
Yeah.
I guess we'll just feed this into here.
I don't know where should we bring it.
Look at that nasty face on there.
If I was sleeping on ghost face, I will come in the room and I will snipe you with my.
Now all I gotta do is blow it up. And that's pretty much it. It's like a pool floaty.
Yeah. I'm not scared of it. That's funny.
All right, so here's the finished product. I'll have to actually find a spot to hang it. This is just what I'm doing right now for demonstration purposes, but
Yeah.
I actually ended up just getting my air compressor and airing it up because it was going to take way too long. Yeah, look how detailed that face is. It's nice and shiny, hard plastic. Looks really nice. What do you think, Ghostface?
Good. I'm not wearing my mask anymore.
Did you get too hot in there?
Yeah.
But yeah, overall I'd say this is a really good prop, especially if you're really into killer clowns from outer space and you want to get the whole setup. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all again later.